We have the video of most satisfying haircut transformation of black guy. Guys, in this video you will find the most sexiest black guy's haircut transformation. So don't skip this video. Like this video, please and enjoy. All of these black guys inspired by the best barber around the world, and all of these barber got amazing skill and they cut hair like professional, and they got amazing skills. In this video we have gathered a lot of the most popular hair transformation black guys. So if you are looking for some latest haircut, I think you are in the right place. Don't skip this video. Watch this video till then you will get the right haircut idea for you. All of these haircut transformation are really satisfying, and I really love to watch that type of transformation. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, I think you have to subscribe our channel because we have uploaded lots of haircut transformation with black guys. And if you are really love to watch that type of transformation, we are uploading daily 2 videos on YouTube, and we have lots of good content that we have uploaded already, and lots of bunch of the haircuts that will come soon on our channel. Bam! That was the crispiest haircut transformation. I love that. I love that type of transformation. It looks so crispy, it looks so sharp. The black guys are lucky to have that type of hair. They have lots of options to get lots of haircut, and yeah, they're lucky. This is gonna be a most beautiful haircut and most satisfying haircut compilation on YouTube. Yeah, it really is it. have a wonderful feeling to watch that I have ASMR and satisfying haircut transformation. The way that Barber cutting hair is really satisfying, and I think that guys are lucky to have that type of a barber. Wow, that was a fantastic transformation. No matter what type of haircut you are looking for, we have covered all of the most famous and latest haircut transformation in this compilation and or other videos, and I will also put a latest videos in my description box if you really wanna watch that type of transformation. We have lots of haircut we have uploaded to our channel, and I think you should watch these videos because they got amazing transformation in our videos. Bam! These are the real ASMR content. That was crispy as well, that transformation. Wow. Bam. Anyways, guys, this is gonna be our last but not least haircut transformation of the day. I hope you had enjoyed all of this most beautiful haircut transformation for black guy, and this is gonna be the last haircut. We are going to sign off, and Thank you so much for watching the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get update for every new upload.